Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate email list management with MailerLite, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your MailerLite account. If you don't have an account, go to the MailerLite website and sign up. Ensure that your CSV file is formatted correctly with headers like name and email. After uploading, review the imported data for accuracy. Next, go to the Forms section to create a sign-up form for your website. Choose between a pop-up form, embedded form, or landing page. Customize your form to match your brand style and messaging. Add relevant fields such as name, email, and any other information you wish to collect. Once your form is ready, save it and generate the embed code or link. If using a pop-up, set the display rules to determine when it should appear. Now, head to the Automation section in the left sidebar. Click on Create Workflow to start automating your email campaigns. You can also set delays between actions for a more strategic approach. After designing your workflow, save it and activate it. Next, go to Campaigns to create and schedule your email campaigns. Select a template that resonates with your content and audience. Craft engaging email content with attention-grabbing subject lines. Schedule your campaign for the preferred date and time for optimal engagement. Use this data to refine your email strategies and improve future campaigns. Create segments based on interests, engagement levels, or demography. Automated emails can be tailored to these specific segments. Finally, regularly clean your email list to maintain deliverability. With these steps completed, you are well on your way to mastering email list management with MailerLite. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.